Thank you, Tarisha, for those nice words. Respected Chief Guest, Janab Muhammad Mahbub Ali Saab, Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Anjani Kumar, Commissioner of Police, Ms. Shikha Goyal, Additional Commissioner of Police, Crimes, Mr. Anil Kumar, Additional Commissioner of Police, Traffic, Mr. D.S. Chauhan, IPS, Additional Commissioner of Police, Law and Order, Mr. Tarun Joshi, DCP, Joint Commissioner West, Mr. A.R. Srinivas, Joint Commissioner Central Zone, Mr. Vishwa Prasad, and DCP North Zone, Mr. Kalmesh Garu, and all the senior officers were assembled here, and my fellow colleague in HCSC, the new Secretary General, Prashanthi Garu, and ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to all of you. It gives me great pleasure today to say that we are very humbled and pleased and lucky to have our Honorable Home Minister launch the Hyderabad City Security Council logo as well. And today he is here to launch our very first signature program called STREE. Thank you very much, sir, for your kind blessings towards our initiatives of HCSC. When we were discussing during the Women's International Day occasion, our Commissioner of Police and also the Chairman of HCSC, Mr. Anjani Kumar, was just kind of posing a challenge as to why can't we just think about some unique initiative that could be creating a lot of women empowerment impact at the ground level. So that basically provoked the thought, and let me conceive that thought about this program called STREE. STREE, S-T-R-E-E, is an acronym. She triumphs. Triumphs means wins. She triumphs through respect, equality, and empowerment. It has very strong words out there which symbolizes as to how women can be empowered with a lot of respect. And of course, the theme of International Women's Day this year also is equality. So having said that, this particular program was designed to be creating a ground level impact, a root level impact, rather than just having a kind of a higher level programs that may not even go down the pyramid to the grassroots level. But we wanted to design this program in such a way that it is impacting at the ground level and then goes up to the top of the pyramid. How it is going to happen, I'm sure my colleague Prashanthi Garu will explain the whole structure, but let me explain. When we talk about women empowerment is loosely used word in many contexts, but very importantly, women empowerment is all about strengthening women socially, economically, and emotionally. If these three pillars of a woman, attributes are addressed, women is empowered. When we talk about economically, our government, Telangana government, has been very progressive. They have brought in lots of great programs in many different areas. Say, for example, on the economic empowerment, there are a lot of programs like self-help groups. So they are operating at the grassroots level. Whatever operates at the grassroots level will definitely make a very significant impact, and that is my humble belief, and I've seen it as well. So self-help groups really creates that economic empowerment of women. And if you look at the emotional empowerment, right, emotional counseling is very important because we have seen women take very extreme actions when they just go through a lot of stress. So they need some counseling. And Bharosa is a phenomenal kind of intervention for women at the grassroots level to be able to express their issues and then get addressed. And that's very, very important. Like that, Bharosa is one intervention. And the third is social strengthening. When we talk about social strengthening, one of the very important aspects is the social safety and security of women. And with the mandate that Hyderabad City Security Council has on women empowerment through safety and security, we want to focus primarily on that pillar. And that is where STREE program comes in. So STREE program brings about a platform at the ground level again, even at the SI level, right? At not even the SHO, even below that, sector level under SIs. We bring about women on one platform to discuss about what kind of issues are being faced by them, whether it's at home or at a public place or at workplace. I think it's a very informal structure where they can express their grievances, issues, so that rest of the women also can sit together and understand, how this can be solved. So eventually, a problem that women faces can also be solved by women, right, with the help of police officers. I think this platform will become much more empowered because we will have the police be part of it. We'll also have NGOs be part of it. We'll have the civil societies be part of it, legal counselors to be part of it, and self-help groups to be part of it. So we're trying to bring in all sectors of people together on one platform to discuss about various issues that they face and be able to discuss and deliberate and see what kind of solutions we can achieve. And I think, and one of the major issues that we have, the social stigma we have in our country, is that women are very apprehensive to go to police station. And believe me, Telangana Police, I've been working with them for the last eight years with my association with Cyberabad Security Council and now the Hyderabad City Security Council. There's never any better, police that you can see in India other than Telangana Police. We should just applaud them for such a citizen-friendly, kind of approach they take in everything. And I'm sure that comes from our Honorable Chief Minister, who created lots of programs like, say, She Teams. Quite an amazing, incredible, unique program that nobody would have even thought about. A lot of other states are emulating that. So I think with that government-friendly policies and police taking a very citizen-friendly approach, we want to facilitate through the STREE programs that please come with your issues, trust in the system and police, and then express. They will be able to help you. I think that is where most of the issues can be resolved. Today, going by the Government of India statistics, number of harassments, complaints against harassment of women is about 3.5 lakh, complaints. Those are the reported complaints. Can you believe that this is just a very, very fraction of what women are undergoing, right, in India? Because the statistics again prove that every other woman in the society undergoes some form of harassment that never gets reported. So this STREE platform is going to be a great platform for every woman who can come forward, speak herself, and see how we can solve the problem of herself and all the women in the society. So this is going to be amazing, an incredible program, but not for the support, it will never be successful. So we want the STREE Sabala groups that our secretary is going to explain about. We want them to be very, very, involved, motivated, and participate so that we make this program a wonderful success. Again, thanks a lot for everybody today. And today is going to mark a big day, right? Because once this successful program goes through this particular division of Asif Nagar, we're planning to emulate this in rest of the Hyderabad City Police Commissionerate zones. And later on, if this success again can be extended to rest of the state as well. So with that, I really feel I take pride in saying that I'm being part of the STREE group, and thank you very much for coming here today. And we will just go through some formalities of launching the logo and the video. So may I request all the officers on the dais to please divide yourself to go both sides of the screens, please. So we'll request the Honorable Home Minister to can you take the laptop, please? So can we just split so that part of the officers go on the other side and part of the officers come on the other side so that the screen